Compost Critters.
Let's see what jokes the Compost Critters have today.
Sounds like Costa's fallen asleep under the fruit trees again. Let's try not to wake him.
Did you hear about the fruit trees in winter? What happened? It froze this plumber.
Okay, I've got one, but I'll say it quietly. What's healthy, hairy, and full of goodness?
Healthy, hairy, and full of goodness. A kiwi fruit?
No, silly, Costa.
Oh, did someone say my name?